Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. Today's topic is this: how to make money on Twitter. How to make money online. How to make money online, and more specifically, Twitter. I've been on Twitter for about 5 years now. And there's one thing I've realized. In these social media websites, some people are there for entertainment, but some people are there for business, especially Twitter. So there's a group of young men or young people. I was also there a while back, sometimes back. They are called the trendsetters. It's a group of people. What they do is they formed a cartel where they follow one another and they grow their following. And so if you have 10,000 followers, 20,000 followers, 30,000 followers, you approach companies or you approach brands and they give you jobs. The job then is to tweet for these companies and to create hashtags for these companies to promote their brands. And now if you are doing it with a group of 10 people or 20 people and you are tweeting severally under one hashtag, that hashtag appears to trend, to appear in the trends, in the top 10 trends in the country. And when the hashtag appears in the top 10 trends in the country, then you are paid as an influencer. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to make money on Twitter, it's very simple. Grow your following. Grow your following. Follow people. Let them also follow you back. Participate actively on their tweets. Engage actively on their tweets. Comment on topical issues a lot. Comment on topical issues. Grow a following. Once you have 10,000, 20,000 followers, join this trend team. Join this team of influential young people who participate in trends, in hashtags, and who participate in promoting brands. You will be able to make money on Twitter. The other way you can make money on Twitter is very simple. Have a product. Whatever it is you're selling. I see some people design logos. I see some people selling pens. I see some people selling furniture. Some are even selling books. People sell all kinds of things. So what do? They follow the hashtags. And they sell their brands. They sell their products under those hashtags. And guess what? People make money on Twitter. Selling other brands. Selling other products. So, to make money on Twitter, first you can be a member of the influential team, the trend team, or you can be selling other people's brands or products, or you can be directing them. Even if you are a sales insurance agent, whatever it is you are selling, shoes, furniture, phones, anything you are selling, very simple. Post it on Twitter. You will get clients. This is what I've seen people do, and this is how people make money on Twitter. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. I want to invite you to my Telegram group. That is where I talk to people about the stock market. That's where I talk to people how to make money, how to make money online, how to make money on the stock market, because the stock market is 100% online. Join me, and together, let's learn to make money. Let's increase our wealth. Let's increase our financial resources. I want us to live well. I don't want you to suffer. I don't want myself to suffer financially. Asanteni sana. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the red subscribe button. Click the bell notification so that every time I upload a video, and by the way, nowadays I'm uploading videos daily. So I invite you to come to this channel daily, because I will challenge your thinking, I will challenge your mindset, and I will help you grow. Asanteni sana. Bye. Oriti Erokamana.